Amber Heard spotted shopping at TJ Maxx. As a result of the Johnny Depp trial, Amber Heard is confronted with a harsh and costly reality, namely the possibility that she will be responsible for millions of dollars. Therefore, it should come as no surprise that she is shopping around for deals. Check out this video, which was obtained by TMZ, to see Amber Heard doing some shopping at a TJ Maxx in Bridgehampton, New York. On Thursday afternoon, she was accompanied by her sister Whitney Henriquez, who testified on her behalf and who has been tagging along lately. We have it on good authority that Amber and Whitney were browsing the racks of clothing when they were overheard at one point discussing white linen pants. It would appear that the sisters had a basket full of potential purchases in their possession. As you can see, however, Amber scurried away as soon as she realized that cameras were rolling. There is no information regarding what, if anything, they were able to take with them when they left the store. However, the fact that we find Amber here in the aftermath of all of this is intriguing, particularly in light of the precarious financial situation. It is common knowledge at this point that Amber's attorneys have stated publicly that their client does not possess the financial resources necessary to compensate Johnny for the $8.3 million in damages that were awarded to him by the jury. However, it is still unknown whether Johnny Depp and company will actually go through with enforcing the judgment. His legal representatives have given indications that they might not. Nevertheless, the fact that Amber has been doing press lately and attempting to present evidence that she claims proves her case is probably not sitting well with JD. Not to mention the fact that she keeps threatening to appeal her sentence. The passage of time will reveal whether or not he simply pulls the trigger and puts her on trial. In either case, Amber is going through a difficult period in her life. Not only could she be forced to pay this money that she does not have, but she also runs the risk of losing a significant amount of work in the years to come. The truth is that she hasn't had very many bookings as of late. Although Amber has given the impressions that this is because she is currently caring for her daughter, it is also possible that she is not receiving any calls regarding acting jobs at the present time. She has already been compensated for her work on Aquaman 2, which was only a couple $1,000,000. Amber Heard is a model and actress who was born in the United States and has a net worth of -$6 million. Amber Heard is a well-known actress who has appeared in a number of notable films including Aquaman, The Rum Diary, Never Back Down, and Drive Angry. Heard is also known for her involvement in activism, particularly in regards to the rights of LGBTQ people, and she has appeared on a number of different television series. In recent years, Amber has achieved a level of notoriety as a direct result of her associations with Johnny Depp, who was formerly her husband. Despite the fact that they had divorced in 2016, Heard and Depp would go on to spend the following several years fighting each other in courtrooms and in the press. In 2019, Depp filed a defamation suit against Heard in Virginia for the amount of $50 million in relations to an op-ed she had written for the Washington Post the previous year. Following this, Heard initiated a counter-defamation suit seeking $100 million in compensations in response to statements made by an attorney for Depp. There will be further discussions of these defamation lawsuits later on this piece. Heard's pre-tax earning during the Depp vs. Heard mutual defamation lawsuit totaled $10 million between 2013 and 2019, according to testimony given during that time period. The year she made the most money, roughly $3 million, was 2019. The testimony also revealed that Amber had a 4-picture deal with Warner Brothers, which paid her $450,000 for the studio's first film she appeared in. After that, she made a cool $1 million for her role in Aquaman. She was promised $2 million for the sequel and a $3 to $4 million if a third Aquaman film was made, according to her contract. Amber was paid $1.8 million for her role in the 9-episode series The Stand, according to testimony. A $1.625 million 2-year deal with L'Oreal guaranteed the beauty company 20 days of Amber's time, according to testimony. At this point, this is the entirety of the information that we possess. If you enjoyed viewing the show, we would appreciate it if you would consider subscribing to it by clicking the button labeled subscribe. Make sure the notification button is activated so that you are kept abreast of all of the newest videos that we upload. We would appreciate it if you would use the comment box to share your reactions to the video with us, as we would be interested in hearing them as well. That was everything that we were able to cram into the agenda for today. I'm sorry to have to part ways for the time being, but I really do hope to see you again in one of the videos that comes out in the